Hi friends, this is Surendra here, and in this video I'll be talking about a option provided by Windows 8 operating system to write files to a CD or DVD. So let's see what are the different points I'm going to cover. First we'll see is how to erase a rewritable disk, which can be either a CD or it can be a DVD. Then we'll see how to write files to a CD or DVD in Windows 8 operating system. So writing file to a CD or DVD is called as copy files or burning files also. So for this we'll not be using any third party software. We'll simply use the options which are provided by Windows 8 operating system. So let's see how you can erase a disk. I already inserted a rewritable disk in my DVD writer. Okay, when I go to that icon and right click, you can see there is something called erase this disk option. If I click on that, okay, it will ask for your confirmation, and if you click on that, it shows that erase completed successfully. You can click on finish. So this is how you can erase a rewritable disk. Now we'll try to write some data to the CD. Okay, so for writing a file, what I need is I need a file which I want to write to a DVD. So what I have done is I have a video file, okay, mm, which is around 62 MB, okay, 64 MB. Okay, I'll just right click and copy this, and what I've done is I've inserted another DVD, another CD into my system, which is a bigger space because the earlier one was a rewritable CD. This one is not rewritable. Okay, it's a you can write it only once. Okay, so I'll double click on this icon. It will ask you how do you want to use this disk, whether you want to use it as a flash drive or with a CD DVD player. Okay, so I have selected the second option, and you'll have to provide a title. You can write anything here, my disk, or anything you whatever you want to write, you can write on the disk title. Then you'll have to click on next. Now on this window, what I'll have to do is I'll paste the content which I copied from my another folder. Fine, right? Now you can see there is a prompt coming. You have files waiting to be burned to disk. So my MP4 file or the video file is copied to my disk. Now what I'll have to do is I'll right click, and there is one option called burn to disk. You'll have to click on that. Here also it will ask whether you want to change the title. No. What should be the recording speed? I'll leave as it is, and then I'll click on next. This is it will burn the data whatever you copied to your disk. I'll click on next. You can see it's asking for like it's showing the confirmation like it's burning the data files to the disk. Okay, and estimated time left is also shown, which is around 30 seconds. So we'll just wait for this time, and data will be returned to our disk. It is pretty fast actually, it's not like a very slow thing. Okay, so it's almost performing final steps to finish this disk. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, just some more seconds to go, and it will write all the. This is one of the easiest options to write data to a disk or to burn a disk, because otherwise you'll have to buy some other softwares, third party softwares, to do the same operation. Okay, so if you just want to write some data without doing any uh, other operation, you can use this. Now it's asking, you have successfully burned your file to the disk. Do you want to create another disk using these same files? I will say no. Okay. Now we'll see whether the data is written or not. So after the burning, the DVD CD has come out. I'll insert it back to just verify whether the data which wanted to write is written or not. Okay, now you can see the files currently on the disk is the video file whatever I was writing. Okay, and it's written successfully. So this is the one of the way you can write data to your disk or DVD, and you don't have to buy any software for this. This is the option which is provided by Windows 8 operating system. So you can simply go and use it if you have a Windows 8 PC. Hope this helps. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice time ahead. Thank you.